God has gone. Always remember, I'm still here to listen to everyone that you have. And I always be amazed that you meet the day that we start our friendship. And remember, don't forget to pray. I love you. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you so much, Venus. Now let's call on Sarah Ahmed.
I wish you the best and I hope na ngayong araw magbigay ito ng joy sa'yo at saka ng good memories to you at saka can't wait to watch you grow and achieve what you've dreamed. I love you.
Thank you so much, Sarah. Now let's call on Liza Luchavez.
Happy birthday, Te! We know naman na marami tayong mga problema sa school, pero always mo lang na tandaan na nandito lang ako pag makakailangan. And thank you for the friendship since grade 11. Wish ko is sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo at sana makayanan mo lahat ng mga pagsubok sa buhay. Good luck sa journey. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Now let's call on Gian Brion.
Wish ko lang sa'yo ang sana matupad mo natin.
Ayan pala yun.
Ang makinig ka natin sa magulang mo. Yun lang. Happy 18. Love you.
Alright, go Gian. Dito tayo Gian sa kabilaan. Thank you. Now let's call on Jermaine Mehica.
Nakaksalita. Happiest birthday, Nicole. Wishing you all the best in life.
Kaya mo yan.
Dati tayo magkakasama, yung mga uhugin pa tayo dito tayo. Ating-ate mo pa ako noon. Ay hindi pa siya nag-aari sa akin noon. Ngayon lang. Ngayon lang siya nag-ate. Ayun, ate will always be here for you through ups and downs. Sana sabay-sabay natin matupad yung mga pangarap natin. Magkasama pa rin, keep in touch pa rin. Happy birthday ulit.
Now let's call on the presence of Shane and Nicole Douglas.
Happy 18th birthday, Nicole, or our Mars. I can imagine noon, para tayo mga batang musmus nung first year sa high school natin, and now look at you. You already grew up. And ngayon, ika-18 kaarawan mo, gusto ko lang hiligin na sana makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo para
Parang
sa
bata
future
lang,
mo.
mga 11 years
And naway magsilbi kang inspirasyon sa karamihan pagdating ng panahon. And ayun lang, happy birthday again. We love you.
Thank you so much, and for Shane and Nicole. Now let's call on Celine Doncel.
Naiya ako. Happy birthday, Nicole. This is just a short message kasi iyakin ka na. Ayun, nakakamiss din yung friendship na na-build natin since grade 7. Ayun, happy 18th birthday ko. Welcome to adulthood. Hindi na tayo pabata, so be wise on your decisions. Umiyak! So, I'm looking forward na makita mo na ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. And sana, this special day, I hope your special day is amazing and incredible as you are. We're always here, rooting for you. Take care always, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Wow, thank you so much, Celine. Now let's have Asel Rivera.
Happy birthday ko. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goal mo sa buhay. And sana mahanap mo yung dawan mo. Wala yun sa day one. Alam mo yan. Papansin kay. nandito lang kami para sa'yo. We love you, Cole.
Thank you so much, Asel. Now let's have Stephanie Ferrer.
Happy birthday, Te. Enjoy your day lang. Huwag kang stress. Lagi kang stress, Te. Be happy lang lagi. Sabi ng, may narinig ako, sabi niya, huwag ka muna daw mag-aasawa. Yun lang, Te. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, Stephanie. Now let's have Denz Salazar. Now let's have Christine Joy Laksamana.
Ayun, happy birthday sa'yo. And first of all, thank you for inviting us here kahit hindi tayo masyadong close. And kahit hindi tayo masyadong nag-uusap araw-araw, pwede mo kaming kwentahan kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo. And ayun, good luck sa journey natin. Sana sabay-sabay tayong graduate. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo kasama ng pamilya mo. And good health and God bless. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Thank you so much. And now let's have Geraldine Aron.
First of all, happy 18th birthday, Cole. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na lagi ako nandito hanggang makinig sa mga rant mo.
No, walang iyak.
Payo ko lang sa'yo sana, palagi kang makinig sa mga mabuhay. Stay what you are at sana wag nang matigas ang ulo mo, makinig ka lagi sa mama at papa mo. Love you!
Thank you, and Geraldine. Now let's have Lichen Denise Gahuman.
Happy 18th birthday, Nicole. I want to wish you a very congratulations. You're an adult now. This is a special milestone, a new chapter in your life, and I can't wait to see what incredible things you accomplish in the coming months and years. I want you to keep in your mind now. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag sa gilid lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Mag-explore and make the most of every opportunity. Enjoyin mo lang tong araw na to kasi sa Monday, papahinga mo na tayo. Meron po sa tayo. Ingat ka palagi kapag uwi ka galing school. And palagi mo lang tandaan na mahal ka namin at palagi kaming nandito for you. We wish nothing but the best for you as always. Hello, happy birthday.
Wow, thank you. Now let's hear from Lobel Wenceslav.
Hi ko. Doon ako kay... ingat. Ingat ka palagi sa pagkukumute mo sa Manila. And sana mag-double ingat ka pa kasi sa LRT madami na. Sana yung mga dreams mo, yung mga delulu mo maging true-lulu. And someday, matagpuan mo yung dawan mo. Yung ano talaga, kasama mo. Pero someday pa yung 10 years ko. Huwag mo na kayo. Sana huwag kang umiyak masyado kasi iiyak ka pa sa research. Happy birthday!
Tinakot mo. Now let's come on, Jenny Martinez.
Happy 18th birthday, Nicole. Today marks a special milestone in your life. A step into adulthood with endless possibilities ahead. As you embrace this new chapter, remember that every moment is a chance to grow, learn, and chase your dreams. May this year be filled with unforgettable memories, new adventures, and courage to pursue everything that sets your heart. Wishing you a year full of happiness, success, and exciting new beginnings. May all your dreams come true as step into this new chapter of your life. I love you. Happy birthday.
Wow, thank you so much, Jenny. Now let's have Jairi Ballesteros.
happy legal medical, pwede kita makulong. First, I'm so happy for you. Before, we were just 12 years old and clueless about our future. Since we were in 7th grade at the time, look at now. We're growing up and going to college next year. So, we're going to class. So, my only wish for you is that your journey ahead be filled with exciting and unforgettable experiences. Lagi lang kami nandito sa Happy Birthday.
Thank you. Now, let's call on the president of the last but not the least, Jeanette Mexico.
Happy birthday, be! Ay, great mo ako dyan. Birthday, be! Sana masaya mo yung araw na to. Tapos, yung namiss namin kayo sobra. Yun lang. Love you, be!
All right, thank you so